How to fix install error 0x800f081f Windows 11 update. Hello everyone, and let's get started. In order to fix this installation error on your Windows 11, here are a few tricks that you can apply. So for this, first of all, you have to open your File Explorer and then go to this PC. Select Windows C or Drive C and go to Windows folder. Now scroll down until you find a folder called as Software Distribution. Double tap on it to open. Now what you have to do is select Ctrl A to select all and then click Shift Delete to permanently delete these folders and files. Once you have done that, you can cross it. For the next step, you need to open Task Manager. Once you open it, you have to tap on Run New Task. Now click on Browse button and then it will land you to Windows Drive C. Go to Drive C and then into Windows and then on System32 folder. On the search bar, type in cmd.exe and hit the OK button. Make sure to click Create the task with administrative privileges. Once you hit the OK button, it will open command prompt. Now here are a few commands that you need to give. It has been displayed on the screen, which is winsock restart catalog, int IP reset, ipconfig plus DNS and ipconfig reset. Once you have done all of these commands, what you can do is you can exit from the command prompt. Moving on with the next step, you need to open services.msc. So for that, you just have to type in services and open it. After that, you have to search for Windows Update. For that, click on any of the folder and type in W. After that, go to Windows Update, right-click on it and go to its properties. After that, you have to click on Start button, but before that, make sure that the Start type is selected as Automatic. So this were some of the solutions that you can try. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.